Welcome to you all friends. Today we are going to discuss on the most awaiting examination of India, NEET 2022. National Eligibility Cum Entrance Examination, the one and only eligibility examination for all the medical aspirants of India to join into courses like MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BHMS and so on. As everyone is aware of the fact that NTA, National Testing Agency, is the authorized conducting body of the NEET examination. NTA has announced that NEET 2022 exam will be conducted on 17th July. Before looking into the important instructions that NTA has released for the candidates that are applying for this year NEET, let's have a glance on the important dates for NEET 2022. Here is the list of all the important dates. As you can see that from 6th of April 2022, the online application form submission process will be started and ends at 11:50 p.m. of 6th May 2022. On the official website of NEET, that is www.nta.ac.in. So, all the NEET aspirants should carefully remember the dates to fill the application form at the earliest to not have any last minute aggravations. So guys, let's be careful on this aspect. And the last date for successful submission of fees through credit or debit card or net banking or UPI systems is 11:50 p.m. of 7th May 2022. This did not indicate that you have to pay on this particular day. You can also pay at the same time while submission of the application form. So candidates should ensure the payment prior to this, as you know that without fee payment your application will not be processed further. You can check category wise fee payment in here. See, according to the list, all general candidates of India should pay an amount of rupees 1600, and for general EWS or OBC NCL candidates should pay an amount of rupees 1500, and all SC, ST, PWD and third gender candidates should pay an amount of rupees 900. And for candidates that are residing outside India, they have to pay an amount of rupees 8500, and all the processing charges and GST are additional to be paid by the candidates along with the fees given as per the channel they are paying. Now let's move on to the important topic, the instructions that are to be followed during the online application form filling of NEET 2022. NTA has given good shock for the candidates filling the application form in this foremost instruction. No correction facility will be given at any stage of the registration. Last year, a correction window provided to the candidates to make any corrections for the application form. This year, NTA clearly instructed that there will not be such an online option for the candidates, and every candidate should be very careful while filling the form and ensure that they won't make any mistakes. However, in the next page of the bulletin, NTA has given correction in particulars date will be announced later. If you could see here, they have clearly mentioned that corrections in particulars date will be announced later. This is two contradicting things given by NTA. Anyhow, candidates should follow the first instruction and carefully fill the application form without any errors to be for the safer side. Though the correction window has been given by the NTA, but it will not be for all the options. So, candidates should be very careful in this particular aspect. The second instruction says that be extremely careful in filling in the application form. You can edit or modify any information before submitting each section. Check again before pressing the submit button. So you guys should be very meticulous and cross-check twice to thrice prior to click the submission for every category, as there won't be any other option for error correction was given to you. Once you submit, there is no turning back, so be careful. So third instruction says that read instructions carefully about photographs, signature, left and right hands fingers and thumb impressions and all certificates before uploading. Candidates must follow all the formats, size, ink type and other instructions thoroughly prior to uploading the documents. For the same, you can check our next videos to get more information and more clarification on this aspects. The fourth instruction states that mobile number and email ID need to be verified through OTP. Please understand that this is a very important step. This instruction clearly indicates that you should provide the valid mobile number and valid email ID that are in working and keep near to you while filling the application form to check the OTP and confirmation process. This mobile and mail IDs should be with you till counseling process completion. So candidates must be very careful in providing this information. This mobile number and mail ID should be with you till counseling process completion. So candidates must be very careful in providing this information. The fifth instruction says that please download the Sandesh app on your registered mobile phone. You may have doubts on what is the Sandesh app. This is an open source based instant messaging app developed by NIC to get all the latest updates and notifications, as well developed exclusively for government infrastructures. Through this app, you can download the application and fill it all very quick rate than in any other apps according to the authorities. So you guys should try to download this app for easy access. Finally, the last instruction is choose question paper medium carefully as it cannot be changed at a later stage. It clearly indicates that once you have chosen the medium of the question paper, you cannot change later on. So for the candidates that are choosing English or any other regional languages, carefully select the right option and the language only that you are good and proficient at to write the exam, and instead make any mistakes and later suffer. And there is another important instruction for all of you guys from our end, that you try to fill the application form in a desktop or in a laptop and do not try to attempt it to fill it up in your mobile phones or tabs or any other sort of devices. Instead, choose your laptops or either desktop only and keep all the information and all the documentation in one folder so that it is easy for you to upload. No place for regrets, guys. No place for regrets, guys. So follow all the instructions and carefully fill the NEET 2022 application form. Good luck to you all as well, and follow and subscribe our channel for many more updates on NEET 2022. Thank you all for watching.